What's up, boys and girls? It's me, Bob the Bible Guy, also known as the... No, I'm just kidding. I'm not the macho bro, but I am wearing his hat, and I just wanted to share something fun with all of you. That's right. It is that day. And now with that being said, I thought what better way to celebrate that day than creating a Sundae on Sunday. So we're going to go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to teach you how to make a Bob Sundae, and we're going to do it Bob's way. Or you can do it at home with all your loved ones, and you can do it your way. And I'd love to see how you guys make your Sundae Sundays. So tag me at Bob the Bible Guy, and I'd love to see what Sundays you guys make. But with that being said, let's get started. So in order to make a Sundae Fun Day Bob's way, it only takes 3 easy steps. Step number 1, you gotta know what ingredients you're gonna want to put in it. Step 2, you're just gonna put it together. And step 3, the most funnest step, is eat it and destroy it. So let's get into what you're gonna need to make your Sundae Fun Days Bob's way. So in order to make your Sundae Fun Day Bob's way, you're gonna need your favorite kind of ice cream. Bob's is cookies and cream, but there's never enough cookies, so you gotta get extra cookies, so you get your favorite kind of cookies, like Bob. Bob likes Oreos, you might like Cheerios. Whatever cookie you like, that's what you're gonna put in. Bob knows Cheerios aren't cookies, but if you like cereal in your ice cream, that's what I'm saying. Get some cereal, but you're also gonna wanna get, if you're doing it Bob's way, you're gonna wanna get some bacon bits. Oh yeah, these are gonna hit in a different way. You're gonna want sprinkles, the Reese's Pieces. You're also gonna wanna make sure you have plenty of Hershey's chocolate syrup. Plenty. And when I say plenty, I mean almost a whole bottle. You're also going to want to have maple syrup, which accents your bacon bits. You're going to need whipped cream, Mariano cherries, and caramel. But since you're doing this with your parents, adults, loved ones, or somebody over the age of 30, you're going to want to make sure they have some lactose intolerant tablets. Take 2 before you start cooking. But if you're going to make something and it's going to be fun, you got to have something to put it in. So in order to do it Bob's way, you got to get none other than a goblet. Oh yeah, this is the only way we can make our Sundays Fun Days. So let's make a Sundae fun. Let's get to it. And that's how you make it Bob's way. Now there's only one thing left to do, but to devour it and enjoy. So be sure to let me see what your Sundae Fun Day Sundays look like, and tag me at Bob the Bible Guy so I can see.